U99 drone operation tutorial. Open the box. Take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Before flying, you need to fully charge the drone's battery. Connect one end of the charging cable to the battery. Connect the other end of the charging cable to the USB plug of the charging device for charging. Indicator light shows red when charging. Fully charged indicator shows green. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect the remote control. Connect the power supply. Indicator light blinks to indicate charging. Pre-flight preparation. Unfolding the drone arm. Installing the drone battery. Install the obstacle avoidance module. Insert the memory card. Make sure the drone is leveled before launching. Long press to turn on the drone. Then turn on the remote control. The drone will automatically align with the remote control. Calibrate the compass horizontally. Rotate horizontally clockwise to hear a beep. Then rotate vertically clockwise to hear a beep again. Compass horizontal calibration is complete. Calibrate gyroscope. Drone light blinks and then lights up. Calibration is complete. Wait for drone GPS search. Remote control beeps. GPS search complete. Unlock the drone with the inner 8 lever. Push the left stick up to take off. Rise. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left flag. Right flag. Speed switching. 1 beep for low speed. 2 beeps for medium speed. 3 beeps for high speed gears. Motorized camera adjustment. Turn on the obstacle avoidance mode. The drone will stop automatically when it encounters an obstacle. Short press to take photo. Short press to record. Press again to stop recording. Adjust screen brightness. Short press to playback. Short press to return to the image transmission screen. Short press the return button. The drone will return to the takeoff point. Indoor mode operation. Turn on the drone and remote control first. Long press the remote control GPS button to turn off the GPS. Right stick to lower right corner to calibrate gyroscope. Unlock the drone with the inner 8. Stroke stick. Push the left stick up to take off. Replace the blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws of the wind blades. Remove the wind blades. Pay attention to differentiate between A and B markings. Install the corresponding blades on the drone. Connect the app. Scan the QR code of the manual to download the app. Connect the Wi-Fi of the drone after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen.